Hello guys, today is my birthday and I'm just coming back from where I went to pick up my parcel that was sent far away to me. I want some boxes. Yes, and I want you people, my beloved friend, my beloved follower, the beloved subscribers, to join me as I unbox my birthday present. So let's do this unboxing together. But before that, let me show you my last year birthday present. Yes, it's a portrait. Yes, it's a portrait. I know it's beautiful and you love it. Yep, I love it too. I got it from a dearly beloved friend and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you. So this year birthday present, 2022 birthday present is guess what? Let's see what it is. This is it. This is it. Okay, you can see my name written somewhere around here. Yes, so let's see what it is. I'm so happy. I don't know. It's unknown parcel. Like, I don't even know what could be inside. Wow. Wow, it's looking like a portrait. It's looking like a portrait. Okay. Let's turn to the front. Let's turn it to the front. Okay, let's turn it to the front, I can see something is shaking inside. What could that be? Is this some money? Enveloped money? Maybe. But let's see what is inside. Shakarami Fashion. Oh, read me. This says read me. What could be inside? Should we read it together? Or is it personal? First of all, see, is. I love it. Okay, there is a nylon I found inside. And what is it? Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Diamond. It could be. Okay, should we read it together? Okay, should we read it together? Hey, beautiful. This might not be the best gift you have received today. I want to see you excel and your dreams to come true. Amen. I may not have all it takes to set up a fashion house right now as a birthday gift. Oh my god. This is making me cry right now. Which I know is your life dream and will surely come to pass. Amen. Let this frame stand in the space of one for you. Oh, this is amazing. I'm super excited. Happy birthday to the most beautiful woman I know right now. You are a born champion. Wow. You will surely be above your game. Wow, sure. Be happy. Enjoy every bit of the day. Get behind every bad energy today. Have fun! Sure, I'm already having fun. Like, this is amazing. I'm so happy. Guys, I know you are happy with me. You're happy for me. Oh my god. Oh Lord. I'm so happy. Thank you everyone that stayed to me to the end. Thank you, especially to the anonymous for this beautiful present. Yep. The brand has come to stay. Shakarami Fashion, it has come to stay. So thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.